School buses represent means of transportation for about one-half of the nation's elementary and secondary school-age children. However, there is a lurking issue: high fuel consumption and high greenhouse emission. But how bad exactly? A standard American diesel fuel bus runs only around 7 miles and produces as much as 22.2 pounds of carbon dioxide per gallon of combusted diesel. The cost is now a main concern since the price of the diesel fuel has been at its ever high. Here is an opportunity for change. EcoAssists provides a hybrid technology which utilizes hydraulic fluid power for fuel-efficient school buses while addressing the urgent community need related to sustainability.
It really can't be overemphasized how important EcoAssist solution is to improving the school bus fuel economy. School buses are notoriously inefficient. They're very heavy vehicles and they go through quite a lot of start and stop. And the solution that's being proposed by EcoAssist is very advantageous in that they're taking this braking energy and returning it to the vehicle, thereby improving the fuel economy. So I see this as a very, very beneficial and attractive option. There's other benefits. They'll be reducing diesel emissions, and particularly if EcoAssist goes forward with their plan to implement a clean start-stop technology where they're literally stopping the engine when kids are getting on and off the bus. This will further save fuel, but maybe even more importantly, this is going to save kids from breathing in diesel emissions, which is very much of concern today. It really should be noted that EcoAssist is building the very first hybrid school bus retrofit in the nation. As a result, they're going to position themselves well in the marketplace to be first to market, and I see them as being a product leader from that point forward as they continuously improve their product.
School buses are ideal for hybrid application due to the large mass and typical stop-and-go drive cycle, where the fuel economy is usually low. In comparison to electric hybrids, hydraulic hybrids eliminate heavy batteries and their negative environmental impact. In fact, hydraulic hybrids are more efficient than electric hybrids because they avoid bringing the energy conversion from the mechanical form to the electrical form.
Why hydraulic hybrid retrofit for school bus? Hydraulic hybrid vehicles can capture up to 70% of the kinetic energy usually lost during braking, which in return improve fuel efficiency over standard vehicles by 15 to over 30%. Besides, it's clean. Most hydraulic hybrid vehicles produce 20 to 35% less carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxides. And in the meanwhile, it lowers the brake maintenance expenses by doubling brake life. Here is a quick peek on real-time simulation.
The simulated fuel economy improvement is 22% over the baseline, which is an immense gain considering how inefficient the school buses are.
The hydraulic hybrid bus system utilizes hydraulic fluid to capture braking energy that is otherwise lost in non-hybrid vehicles. This system can capture up to 70% of kinetic energy of the moving bus. The energy is then stored in accumulators underneath the vehicle.
The EcoAssist hydraulic hybrid uses a parallel system instead of a series system due to design emphasis on low cost, high reliability, and retrofit capabilities. The system has 2 accumulators, one for energy storage and one to serve as a reservoir. When the bus brakes, a microcontroller switches the hydraulic pump motor to pumping mode. A drive shaft connected to the pump provides torque from the kinetic energy of the bus to pump fluid from the low pressure accumulator to the high pressure accumulator. When the bus is accelerated, the microcontroller switches the pump motor to motoring mode and high pressure fluid flows back into the pump motor, turning the unit and providing torque to the rear wheels to aid in acceleration.
For 2009 to 2010 school year, Atlanta public school system expends approximately 798,000 gallons of diesel for their school buses, amounting to roughly $2.4 million in expenditures. The cost of public school is supported through government taxes, as the APS budget was expected to be reduced by $43 million in 2013. The community could greatly benefit from more fuel-efficient transportation.
There are roughly 15,500 yellow buses in Georgia, where Atlanta itself accounts to more than 400 school buses. In fact, Atlanta Public School has already shown immense interest and support in the concept bus by donating a school bus. Hence, it is the targeted market for the initial phase. The donated bus is currently under prototype testing and improvement, and it is expected to be available in the market in the early of next year. The bottom line is simple. EcoAssists hydraulic hybrids
are efficient,
clean,
and cost effective.